So you might have seen this new trend. This is called like 3D figurines. So today I'm going to teach you how to create a 3D figurines like this. So let's proceed into this video. So it is very simple. We will just come to Google AI Studio and click on try Nano Banana. And here we will just take this prompt out and we will click on this plus button, click on upload image, and I will upload this MS Dhoni's image. So now we will just need a prompt. So I have the prompt in this Word file. I'll just copy and paste here. So we will just click on run. So it took around like 12 seconds. So I gave this image and this is the output. So you can see we can create this 3D figurines very easy, very simple process. So I will do it with couple of more images for other fans like Kohli and Rohit Sharma. So this took like 15 seconds and here you can see this prompt, but here you can see Kohli is wearing shorts. I didn't expect this. He- so okay, like I didn't upload the full image, right? So it is taking it as shorts. Full. This is not a full image of Dhoni wearing pant, but I don't know how this AI made this video. See here, he is also wearing like the same image like Dhoni, but here you can see like it has created Virat Kohli with his shorts. Okay, I'm sorry. So we will just now try with Rohit Sharma's image. So this is a full image. So there should be no issues with it. So let's wait for another 15 seconds. So we will see the results now. So here the image is ready. It took around like 17 seconds. It looks good too. So he is wearing the pant here, but in this you can see it is looking like Manish Pandey. Okay, so I'm not good going to comment on anything. So okay, so this is how you can create any image into like 3D figurines. So you will find the link for Google AI Studio in the description. Like if you found this video funny and helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe and share it to your friends. And I will meet you in the next video. Until then, take care and bye.